Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Gmail password without phone number. So you have to firstly go to your open a browser and write here g.code/recover. Hit enter. Now you have to put here the email address. Click on next. Now you can see here get a verification code at this Gmail account. So you have to check that mail. In the mail you'll find a verification code. You have to click the verification code here. Okay, so write the verification code. After verification code you have to click on next. Then you'll find two box like this. You'll find two boxes. The first box is you can update your password, and give in the second box you have to retype your password. Then you have to click on next and your password will be changed. Or this is how you can recover your password in Gmail. So guys, in this video, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.